Welcome back to another video. Today we have some batteries. Yes, some DeWalt batteries. These are generic version. A lot cheaper than your regular batteries. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos. So you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Waitley 2-pack of upgraded 20 volt batteries. WTL200 26 amp hour battery made in China. Big shout out to Waitley for sending us these batteries to test for you guys, see if they work or see if they don't work. If there's gonna be any links, I'll leave them down below in the description section of this video. I believe at this time there's currently a coupon, a 20% off coupon, so you guys can jump on that if this is something that you want to get. We got some sort of cap here. We got two different caps you guys can use on these batteries. First battery. So, and this is a cover that they include with these batteries. It says multi-function battery holder. You do have applicable models: DCB 184, 200, DCB 546, DCB 606, and M14, M18, suitable for assembly at the waist. You are able to mount this in your trailer, in your toolbox or whatnot, and then just slide these suckers in there, and they mount just like so. So let me just test them with the M18 batteries. Alright, so we got M18 battery. Yep, they do snap in. I really like that. So they do work with the M18 batteries. Test Makita battery. Yeah, the Makita battery does not work. Just the M18 and the DeWalt batteries. The 6 amp hour plus. Waitley 20 volt max. On the back you get a fuel gauge, so it does stay on. It's actually full charge, equalizing voltage display. You have rechargeable lithium battery, model WTL200, specifications 18 volt, 20 volt max, power 108 watt hours, 180 watt hours. Safe for operations, instructions, full manual, high capacity charger. Same thing with this one, yeah, fully charged. We're gonna throw it on the charger just in case. Something that I missed on this battery, both of these batteries have that. You got USB Type-C. So USB Type-C and USB ports on both of these batteries. So that is another plus, guys. Definitely a plus. And then again, this is the battery. Now something that I think it's a little flimsy is this rubber piece here. This thing's gonna break. So this is a thank you card. So they do make batteries for Makita, Milwaukee, and DeWalt. Alright, so they got, this is some instruction. So we got a 6 amp hour battery. This is a DeWalt original 6 amp hour battery. On the width, I think you're getting the standard 18650s. You're just getting the standard cells on these. But let me just compare the watt hours. You got 120 watt hours on this one. And this one you got 108 watt hours. You're getting less watt hours. I know they did call it a 6 amp hour battery, but still, maybe it's comparable, more comparable to a 5. Alright, we got a 5 amp hour battery here, which is a little bit smaller than the one that we just saw. 108 watt hours, and this is 100 watt hours. So there's 8 watt hours in difference. On the size, they're very similar. The new pack, the generic pack, it's a little bit longer, just a teeny bit longer. Less weight. The 5 amp hour battery, this is 22 ounces. And then we got the new battery, which is 23.2. So obviously you're getting more than a 5 amp hour battery. So weigh the 6. This thing weighs a lot. This one weighs 33. So yeah, you guys know these 6 amp hour batteries are really heavy. This is more comparable to a 5, I would say. Still pretty good deal. I mean, you're getting 2 5s for less than one of these costs, so it's not too bad. We got a DeWalt oscillating tool. So the fitment's pretty tight. I really like it. Fits pretty good. So overall, works pretty good. 5 bars. Alright, we got a fan. Do apologize for this fan, it's a little dirty. We use this in the shop all the time. So this is actually, if you guys want to think about it, this is the best way, the best application you guys could use these batteries for fans, for lights. So yeah. Alright, so we got USB Type-C. And go ahead and plug it in here. See what this does. My phone here, we're just going to plug it in. It says fast charging, 83%. So this is a fast charger. It's not a super fast charger, but it is a fast charger. So really like that. Both of these batteries are power banks, if you want to put it that way. So that's a really nice feature to have. We do have a fast charger. This is a DCB 118. Alright, so it's charging. Alright, so we're going to be tool testing the batteries. We're going to be drilling. Alright, we're going to be comparing this battery to the 6 amp hour and the 5 amp hour, which I think it's closer to the 5 amp hour as in capacity wide. We're going to be using a 7/8 spade bit throughout all these 3 tests. And we're going to be using the same impact driver. Alright, so we got the XR. This is the XR impact driver. This is a 3-speed. We're going to be running this on 3rd speed. Alright, we're just going to be making a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Five amp hour battery. So this is a 5 amp hour battery, and we're going to put them side to side. Perfect. A little warm, but nothing for this tool, obviously. Alright, we got the big battery. You guys know what the difference on these are. These are actually much thicker. These are basically your high output batteries. Much thicker, bigger cells. Perfect. These are very inexpensive batteries. They do have other features. You guys could, like this USB ports, really like that. The tool testing from me handling the tool, I did not feel a difference. Other than that, I really like the ergonomics, the mounting bracket. You guys could, put your in your trailer, on your toolbox, and then obviously mount these batteries like so. Really like that, guys. Definitely recommend these batteries for you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make virtual review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.